This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Nicola Quieto. Open concept living at its best. Popular model and floor plan on a large fenced lot. Desirable Covington at Lake Norman, close to the lake with great amenities. This one has all the perfect upgrades, colors, finishes, and fixtures throughout. Beautiful stone gas log fireplace, large kitchen island with farmhouse sink, pantry, ample storage throughout, beautiful wood flooring, no carpet on the main floor. Floor plan designed for privacy in the owner's suite. Upstairs has a huge bonus room, full bath, and fourth bedroom. This home also has a private screened-in porch looking out on the large flat fenced yard. Such a spacious and well-appointed home, you won't be disappointed. For more information,